Hello, Sari Stars. How are things going on in your saree world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you a beautiful collection of saris perfect for the festive season. Kanjivarams. The name itself evokes a vision of beauty, grandeur, and richness. We have a beautiful collection of hand-woven Kanjivaram silk saris for you today. So let's have a look at these lovely saris. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a very unusual color. This one is a lovely movish pink. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a very rare and unusual movish pink color. There are circular zari buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders have zari motifs in the form of seepu or comb. The lovely pallu of the sari has seepu reka in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast green blouse. You can accessorize this sari with a nice addige. A lovely threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari. The color is a gorgeous teal. A very lovely threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari is a gorgeous deep teal color. The borders of the sari have threadwork motifs of birds and animals. The gorgeous pallu of the sari has manga or paisley motifs and pakshi motifs all done in thread. The sari has a greyish blouse fabric with threadwork motifs of Mail Chakram. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with some elegant pearl jewellery. A gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari in a very festive combination. This one is a beautiful maroon with green. This sari is in a very beautiful color. The body of the sari is a gorgeous shade of maroon and there are small floral buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders of the sari have threadwork motifs of Ganda Berunda or Iruthalai Pakshi. There is a beautiful green selvage which adds to the beauty of the sari. The sari has a pallu that is simply breathtaking. The motifs on the pallu are those of Ganda Berunda and small floral motifs. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a contrast green blouse and pair it with some green beaded jewellery for a lovely look. If you're looking for a simple, elegant and classic Kanjivaram silk saree, then this off-white Kanjivaram with kattams is just perfect for you. This is a timeless Kanjivaram silk saree in off-white with all over green kattam. The saree doesn't have borders, there is a stripe of zari along the short green selvages. The gorgeous green pallu of the saree has seepareke in zari. The saree has a green blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some temple jewelry. A fresh green threadwork Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is an absolute beauty. This is a Kanjivaram silk saree in a fresh, very lovely shade of green. The borders of the saree have gorgeous threadwork motifs of birds. The grand elaborate pallu of the saree has gorgeous motifs of paisleys and pakshis. The saree has a short pinkish blouse fabric with Anand Chakram motifs in thread. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with some silver or beaded jewelry. A very rare yet to kohl Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is a master weaver creation and it's perfect for Onam. The body of the saree has stripes running along the width of the saree and the borders have diagonal golden and silver colored zari stripes, and these stripes are woven using yettukol. The majestic pallu of the saree has two bands of seepareke and a row of diagonal stripes in golden and silver colored zari. The saree has a running blouse fabric, but given the versatile nature of this saree, you can pair it with a contrast blouse and accessorize it with some colorful contrast jewelry. A very versatile off-white Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is a threadwork Kanjivaram. This threadwork Kanjivaram silk saree in a lovely rich cream color is woven on similar lines as the ones with zari. The body of the saree has lovely threadwork motifs of chakram and pakshis. The borders have a series of vangi motifs all done in thread. The grand pallu of the saree has detailed threadwork motifs of Mail Chakram, Pakshis and Yali all done in thread. The sari is a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with a contrast green blouse and accessorize it with a green attique. A threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari with multicolor buttas. This one is absolutely perfect for Onam. A very lovely threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari is in a rich cream color and there are threadwork motifs of yali and chakram in multicolor all over the body. The borders have paisley and pakshi motifs and the borders are in a similar color combination as the body motifs, that is maroon and green. The pallu of the sari has rich motifs of floral motifs and paisleys, all done in maroon and green. The sari is a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast maroon or green blouse. You can accessorize this sari with some temple jewelry. A very festive Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a gorgeous deep red. A very festive red Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of this sari has small zari buttas. The borders are rettapete borders. There are 2 rows of Rudraksha motifs and there is a short green selvage which enhances the look of this sari. The gorgeous pallu of the sari has pretty Kalakshetra inspired kili motifs and 2 bands of motifs of man in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast green blouse. You can accessorize this sari with a green attique. If you are a lover of Korvai and no zari, then this Kanjivaram is just perfect for you. A no zari Korvai Kattam Kanjivaram silk sari in a fabulous and unique combination. The body of this sari is in pista green and there are small kattams or checks all over the body. The Korvai borders of the sari are in a combination of blue and purple and there are temples along the borders. The gorgeous pallu of the sari is in a lovely purplish blue and it has Tazhamburekar. The sari has a purplish blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with some silver jewelry or beaded jewelry. A threadwork Kanjivaram silk saree in the very traditional combination of bottle green and maroon. Green and maroon is a time-tested and lovely combination. The body of this threadwork Kanjivaram silk saree is in a lovely rich bottle green and the threadwork borders are in Arakku. The Arakku borders have threadwork motifs of pakshis and animals. The pallu of the saree is absolutely grand and splendid and it has threadwork motifs of pakshis and paisleys. The blouse fabric of the saree is in Arakku with mild chakram buttas in thread. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewellery. A Kanjivaram silk saree in a very vintage color. This one is a gorgeous rust brown. A very lovely vintage colored Kanjivaram silk saree. The body of the saree is a stunning rustish brown. The borders of the saree are in black and they have Rudraksha motifs in zari. The pallu of the saree is in black and it has Sipareka in zari. The blouse fabric of the saree is in black. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold or diamond jewellery. A very subtle and very elegant threadwork Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is in a graceful grey. This threadwork Kanjivaram silk saree spells absolute elegance. The body of the saree is in a very subtle and graceful grey and there are self stripes along the length of the saree. The borders of the saree are in a lovely sea blue and there are Meenakari threadwork motifs on the borders. The pallu of the saree follows a similar color scheme as the borders and has rich threadwork motifs. The saree has a sea blue blouse fabric with all over patterns. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with some delicate pearl jewellery. A very unique Kanjivaram silk saree which brings together two beautiful colors, pink and purple. This one is a stunner. This special Kanjivaram silk saree is in a lovely shade of magenta purple and there are stripes running along the length of the saree in a lighter shade of purple. There are small zari buttas which adorn the body of the saree. The borders of the saree are in a rich shade of pink and there are paisley and pakshi motifs in zari along the borders. The pink pallu of the sari has Sipireku in zari. The sari has a pink blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some green temple jewelry. A lovely and elegant block printed tussar sari. This one is in a beautiful combination of chocolate brown with cream. A lovely tussar sari. The body of this sari is in chocolate brown. The leaf and floral prints on it are in a cream color. There is a narrow band of mustard yellow on the upper side of the sari. The sari has a lovely border on the lower side. There are floral prints on this lower border. The pallu of the sari has floral prints similar to those on the lower border. The sari has a yellow blouse fabric with brown borders. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with silver jewelry or pearl jewelry. A very pretty purple sari. This one has beautiful floral block prints. The body of this sari is in a very light shade of purple and there are floral block prints in a darker shade of purple. The sari has colorful floral block prints along the borders. The pallu of the sari has colorful block prints similar to those on the borders. The sari has a purple blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some delicate silver jewelry. A stunning block printed tussar sari. The body of the sari is in brown and the borders are in cream. The body of this sari is in a lovely shade of brown and there are small floral block prints all over the body. The sari has a small, narrow, yellowish upper border. The lower border of the sari is broader and it has floral block prints. The pallu of the sari has floral block prints similar to those on the lower border. The sari has a yellow blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some beaded jewelry. This is a tussar sari in a combination that one can never go wrong with: cream, red and black. The body of this tussar sari is in cream and there are beautiful floral block prints in a combination of black and red. The sari has narrow black borders on both sides. The pallu of the sari is absolutely beautiful with retro style circular prints. The sari has a maroonish red blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some brown or red beads. A very graceful tussar sari which has lovely block prints along with hand painting. A very classic and elegant tussar sari. The body of the sari has prints running along the width of the sari. There is a very narrow orangish border on the upper side of the sari. The lower border of the sari has beautiful and gorgeous sunflower motifs which are hand painted. The stunning pallu of the sari has hand painted sunflowers similar to those on the lower border. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast yellow or orange blouse. You can accessorize this sari with some colorful beaded jewelry. A beautiful tussar sari. This one is in a gorgeous maroon with mirror work. The body of this sari is in maroon and there are lovely floral block prints all over the body. These prints are interspersed with mirror work. The maroonish border on both sides has tiny, beautiful mirror work. The maroon pallu of the sari has mirror work similar to those on the borders. The sari is a maroon blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some silver jewelry. The body of the sari is beige kota and there are full patika kam done in multicolors all over the body. The pallu of the sari has similar patti work as the body. The sari has an embroidered blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast blouse. You can accessorize this sari with some silver jewelry or beaded jewelry. A stunning Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari woven by our weavers in Tamil Nadu. This sari has been embellished with intricate Sozni embroidery by our women artisans from Kashmir. This sari is called Uttar Dakshin as it brings together two art forms from two corners of India, the north and south. It is woven in the south of India in Kanjivaram and the embroidery on it is done by our artisans in Uttar, that is in Kashmir. The upper border of the sari is a lovely purplish blue and it has a stripe of zari on the korvai borders. We have retained the upper border as is to retain the original essence of the Kanjivaram. The lower border has a contemporary look to it and this is achieved by the intricate, colourful Sosni hand embroidery done on the borders. The lower part of the sari also has beautiful Sosni embroidery. The pallu of the sari is in Arakku and it retains the original zari bands of the Kanjivaram. The sari has an Arakku blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some pearl jewellery. This is a beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari on which we have done intricate and colourful Lambani hand embroidery. It's called Indradhanush because of its vibrant colours. A stunning two-tone Kanjivaram silk sari in shades of pink. This one has Ayram Butta all over the body of the sari. We have further embellished it with intricate and colourful Lambani hand embroidery done by our women artisans from Karnataka. The gorgeous pallu of the sari is absolutely mesmerizing, giving the name Indradhanush to this sari. The pallu has beautiful and vibrant Lambani hand embroidery all over it. The pallu of the sari has colourful little tassels which add a lovely look to this sari. The sari has a deep pink blouse fabric with Lambani hand embroidery. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a contrast blouse based on the colours on the sari. You can accessorize this sari with some silver jewellery. This sari is Leher. It's a gorgeous tussar sari with chevron shaped block prints all over the body and it has been embellished with intricate colourful Kantha hand embroidery. The body of this gorgeous tussar sari has chevron shaped block prints in a combination of shades of brown and cream. The beautiful block print on the body is complemented by colourful and intricate Kantha hand embroidery on the borders. The pallu of the sari has similar embroidery as the borders. The sari has a brown blouse fabric with hand embroidery on the borders. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with some green beaded jewellery for a lovely touch. Black Beauty is our tussar sari which has been embellished with bullion hand embroidery. The body of the sari is a gorgeous black and there are multicolor embroidered motifs. These are bullion hand embroidered motifs. The borders of the sari are also adorned with intricate bullion hand embroidery. The pallu of the sari is very intricate and elaborately hand embroidered with bullion hand embroidery in multicolor. The blouse fabric of the sari is running and embroidered with bullion hand embroidery. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with some coral jewelry. This sari is called Deepavali as it has beautiful lantern-shaped kasoti hand embroidery on a kanjivaram. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is doopcham or dual toned and it is adorned with intricate and beautiful kasoti hand embroidery. The motifs also include lantern-shaped motifs. The pallu of the sari is in the same deep pink as the borders and our women artisans from Karnataka have done a fabulous job in embroidering this sari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same deep pink as the pallu and it has kasoti hand embroidery. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with some green jade jewelry. This will give a beautiful contrast look. This Vidarbha Tassar sari is called Birds and Butterflies as it has cute bird and butterfly motifs done using cross stitch. The upper border of the sari is in blue and the lower border is in green and the body of the sari is adorned with beautiful and cute motifs of birds and butterflies in cross stitch. The pallu of this Ganga Jamuna Vidarbha Tassar sari has similar bird and butterfly motifs as the body. The blouse fabric of this sari is running. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a green blouse or blue blouse. You can accessorize this sari with green beaded jewelry or blue beaded jewelry. Our collection of hand embroidered saris spans embroidery forms from different parts of India. To shop for our collection of hand embroidered saris, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.